Riwruok mar jotije pewe ndeke Kenya Aviation Workers Union koro wacho ni gilalore mar rango ka ginyalo chungo ng'anyo manyocha gilando ni gidhi chako wuok tich mabiro. Ma bang' romo gi jatend migawo mar Labour Alfred Mutua ma okwayogi mondo mi gichiw thuolo ne lalruok ewi ng'ur ma gin godo. Jotijego nyocha obwogo ng'anyo ka kwedo chenro mar winjruok manitie kind tend pewe mag ndeke kod kambi moro miluongo ni Adani ma owinjore okongi paw ndeke ma JKIA. Winjruokno kelo luoro ne jotijego ma wacho ni gibiro wito tije.
Some roguish elements within management we are asking the government to address. As a union, we are determined that we will not allow them to stay there a day longer. We will not allow them. Then we have the issue of Adani, where our demand is it cannot be done secretly. We are not just part of Kenya, we are stakeholders. Our members are investing their time and energy at Kenya Airport, at JKIA, and in all other airports every day. So we cannot be wished away. Otherwise, that is our position. We will be communicating the resolution of members tomorrow.
I have secured for them an appointment, a whole-day appointment, to hold a session with the new minister, Honorable Davis Chirchir, next Tuesday in his offices to discuss all their issues. And the minister is a listening minister. He wants to hear them, and then from there there'll be a way forward so that this country can continue in harmony and develop.